Clean start, no cones hit. Right there. Oh! Dai Yoshihara. Hard home.
What's up, guys? So we're here at Seattle Airport, just arriving for the Formula Drift round 3 and round 4.
What is this new gadget you got here?
So this time we got the new camera from Razo CarMate. It's a 360D action camera.
Okay.
So we'll see what we can capture. Yeah.
360. So that means you can get the stuff that's on the other side of it.
Yeah, it's filming everything right now.
Huh. Okay, I can see where that can be useful.
Alright. Oh man. It's rain. Going to change the visor to the clear.
Okay.
Okay, so practice is starting pretty soon. We're gonna have 1 and 12 laps because it's a rain, so unlimited. We have 2 sessions, 1.5 hours each, and yeah, try to get as much as practice I can. So practice is starting. It's pretty wet. Exciting. Practice session was ended. It went good. Car was running great, super strong, but just the condition changing every lap. You know, you can't really change the setup on the car every lap, so I have to change my driving, and I'm sure everybody's doing the same thing. So trying to find the best compromise setup for the suspension. I would like to make it really grippy to get more grip on the rain, but at the same time it makes harder to drive sometimes, especially when the condition gets patchy. So try to find the happy medium. Looks like second session will be dry, so changing the setup for dry condition. It's gonna keep back and forth. Weather is so unpredictable, but Sunday it'll be dry. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's complaining. What we change mainly for the rain and the dry is the sway bar setup. We like to run stiffer on the dry and then softer in the rain. So basically change the bar stiffness. Of course, not just that, tire pressures and shock setup as well. Checking the course, they changed a little bit on the layout. So today is Friday, Pro 2 comps on, but we're not at the track, my annual thing. Bruce Lee's grave. Day number 1. Today is Saturday, so for FD round 3, we're gonna have a warm-up pretty soon. The weather looks like wishy-washy. The track is still wet, but it's been no rain for hours, so am I gonna dry out? But I think around the top 16 time, most likely it's gonna be rain, so we'll see. You guys ready or what?
Does it look like we're ready?
This guy looks like
We got
some
everything
sleep.
out. We're ready to go.
Top 32 battle. I mean, it wasn't a battle because I got the bye round, but it was really good to be out and check the track condition. It was quite different from the practice, which was like just 1 hour ago. So every minute the condition of the track is changing, and most likely 16 we're gonna have a rain. So yeah, I'm gonna just mentally ready for it, and we'll see what happens.
Behind the wheel of his turn 14 distribution Falcon tires, turbocharged LS Subaru BRZ, former champ, Slide or Dai Yoshihara. Go. Dai Yoshihara into the bank, transitions in. Chelsea Nunofa in the chase position. Wow, look at that, reeling him in. And Dai Yoshihara with massive angle. See how they come into the power alley into that second outside zone. Both of them filling it up. Chelsea Nunofa lunging towards the BRZ. You can see that gold nose just blending in with the gold wheels of Dai Yoshihara. And there it is. Wow.
So I had a great battle with Chelsea in top 16. Had a really good lead run, but he would stay with me the whole time. So I know I have to bring super close when I was falling. So I did my best, but unfortunately I hit him towards the end of the bank. So I thought I got knocked out. I guess he was slowing down where he wasn't supposed to, which from my view can't tell, and I was so close. So I thought I would just push myself a little too hard, and I just hit him. So I was even like apologizing to him, but anyways, I guess I'm moving on, so I'll take it. Feels a little bit weird because I didn't feel like I earned it, but still take it.
Two very different styles, very smooth. Dai Yoshihara pulling away from JTP. That turbocharged LS under the hood of that turn 14 BRZ, bringing it all the way out. That second outside zone through the power alley. Look at JTP lunging forward. Some separation there between Dai and Justin. Almost losing angle there.
So finishing up the round 3 here in Seattle. Had a really good battle with JR on top 4, but he beat me. And then I got a chance to get a 3rd place. So I had a 3rd place battle with Michael Essa. Another great battle. I had a really good lead round and switched, and I think I was doing pretty good up until in field. My car was sitting up really quick, and I just couldn't keep the momentum into it, and just yeah, it was really hard to follow him. He made a bunch of mistakes, and he took it. You know, I lost twice today, so only the 4th place driver gets that, which feels kind of shitty. But on the flip side, made it to top 4. You know, our car is really good for this track, so regroup tonight, and tomorrow we'll do it to the top. Oh! Damn, you're ready.
Have you seen Dai throw a punch ever?
No.
No.
I don't do that.
He does that, huh?
I would imagine.
You're a kick guy.
I feel like he's like a karate type guy.
Yeah.
I only do this.
I embrace it.
But you did some UFC stuff.
No.
You messed around like you had a buddy, right? That,
Yeah.
yeah.
Right. Alright, so round 4 of competition is starting soon, so we're gonna have a warm-up lap. Hopefully I can get 2 or 3. It's like an hour session, so it's not gonna be that much, but you know, still every 1 lap counts to be able to do a better driving on the calm time. So let's do it.
Here we go, Dai Yoshihara initiating simultaneously as Castro in the chase position. Oh, and there's Castro. Oh boy, hard hit into the wall. Wow, and man, like I said, he turned it up yesterday, but now he turned it too far.
Just at the top 32 battle, went up against Jonathan Castro, and when I was leading on the big bang, he hit me, T-boned me, and got some damage. It wasn't my fault, so I got 10 minutes to fix, which shouldn't be an issue, but must be pretty big impact to the wheels. The wheels are strong, so you can still keep running as is, but just in case I would like to change it. Top 16 coming up, going up against Chris Forsberg. It's gonna be another tough one.
Clean start, no cones hit. All right, there. Oh, Dai Yoshihara, hard hit.
Yeah, I'm good.
You good?
Yeah, sorry man.
It's okay.
Fuck, that was a bad one.
I'm just gonna say, I don't think they'll be able to fix it in 5 minutes. I mean, that's major damage. So.
Oh my god, it's bad. When I see this, holy shit.
Oh yeah. No, you're right. You're right. Look at the floorboard.
Oh my gosh. Was gonna have a great battle with Chris Forsberg at top 16, and I got way too excited and made a big mistake initiation and hit the wall.
Dude, I don't know what you did, but you did it real good.
My neck's sore as fuck, and I know it's going to be sore for the next few months. Yeah, no excuse, that was my driving mistake, and I fuck it up. Hey, can we fix the car by Texas?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
We can fix the car by Texas. It ain't ever gonna be straight, but we can fix the car.
is it gonna be big money too?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.